Barabara kabisa, mpenzi mtazamaji, tuko hapa kwenye Moi International Airport. Tunaelekea Chepkiit Falls. Sema Chepkiit Falls.
Chepkiit Falls.
So here we come. We are there.
Tumeambiwa baba anakuja hapa kidogo, so
tunaenda kuchukua baba, turudi na yeye hivi. Tuko na baisikeli yake hapa. Onyesha baisikeli ya baba pale.
Ndio hiyo.
Tunaenda kuchukua baba airport. Representing live from Moi International Airport. This is called recharging now.
Ni video. Ni video.
7 kilometers to go.
Yes, tumefika Chepkiit Falls.
Baby.
Ndio barabara ya kwenda. Yes, huku. And we are waiting for these guys.
Cycling is the theme.
Yes. Say that again.
Cycling is the theme.
You can say that again and again and again.
It is what it is, baby. If you don't have your bike, you gotta get your Lamborghini, you gotta get your Bugatti, you gotta get your Mercedes, baby.
Yes. Wasee wamefika.
It's my Lamborghini.
Wasee wamefika. Wasee wamefika. Exactly, check it out. Barabara ni mbovu, barabara ni mbovu, ni mbovu. We did it.
My Lamborghini here, this is Lamborghini Enzo. It is at Chepkiit Falls.
Yes.
For the very first time in history.
Yes.
Of this world. Yeah. Yeah.
And the new nigga did it.
And I did it.
You did it. Umefika. Hello guys, Pascal here. We have cycled all the way from Eldoret up to Chepkiit Falls. And now we are just sitting at a shed here. It is raining heavily. We don't know how we are going to go back, but we are going to go back.
We're going to do it.
So up to now,
today is my first time 33 kilometers coming.
Yes, you did it.
I
first
did
time.
it.
You did it.
The first time I did it 33 kilometers, going back 33. That is 63, 60 plus 66.
That is a milestone. That is a milestone.
Yes.
Yes, Brian, what are you gonna
And
say?
I'm not giving up anytime.
You don't have to give up.
Asante sana. Representing live. I'm MC Sultan, aka Uncle Kill It. We represent live. Remember, this is Social Rangers.
Yes.
You can like us anytime on our pages, and you can join us each and every weekend. Spare one day. Let's do this, okay?
Yes.
So, as Pascal had said earlier, before I go even further, I'd like to congratulate Edu for making it to Chepkiit Falls for the first time.
Yes.
Let's give him, Pascal, let's give him here.
He did it. He did it.
Being the first time. All right, representing live.
Yeah.
So, this is what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Right about now, what I'm feeling. Today, I did prepare for this, but I also made it. I'm so glad. Cheers to myself. And cheers to Pascal and Edu and the team. The rest of there are some of us that have left, but we are still in it.
Yes.
So we are hoping to live. It's still raining. You're welcome next time. Remember, whether it rains or shines,
We got to ride. We got to cycle.
All right.
And so for the purposes of my TV, Pascal Flix TV,
Correct.
every single day when we go out to cycle, we'll be telling you how we do it. We'll be giving you pictures, videos. We'll be collecting views from all our cyclists so that we see whether there is a development or whether there is something we need to improve or anything, you know. So if you want to join us next time, always follow us on our Facebook page, Cycle Social Rangers, na hapo kwa Pascal Flix TV. Hit hapo subscribe bwana. Wacha kuwa mcheo na subscription. It is free. Dunga hiyo kitu. Until another time. See you guys and we are out.